video, we'll show you how to use data consolidate when all the data you want to consolidate is in a single workbook. We did it in our previous video when the data was in different workbooks. So Q1, we have sales in Asia, Europe, USA of planes, trains, and cars. Same for Q2 through Q4. We want to consolidate this data to get the total sales of each transportation method, planes, trains, and cars on each continent. Now you could do this with pivot tables, Alt-DP, multiple consolidation ranges, but let's use consolidate. So we need to add a different worksheet to consolidate it. Okay, so we'll go there, and then we'll go data consolidated, and it's pretty straightforward. So data, right here, I believe is consolidate. Okay, so I want to do a sum. So I'll get Q1 here, and I'll go to Q2. Hey, it remembers the range, it's all in the same place, and I'll go Q3, and I'll go Q4, add, and I want it to update automatically my summary when I get new data, so let's see what happens. There it is. Okay, so basically we got Asia 170. You can see where that came from, 50 plus 40, 90, 130, 170. So now if I would add 100 to Asia somewhere, make that 150, so now it was what, 170. So now it should be 270, right? And it is really quite cool.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.